welcome all of you on Europedia Education, and today is a special day for me. Two of my students have come with the sweet box to give me sweets. They have got actually job through placement. Both of them are pursuing their masters MS research in IIT Madras. So then I took it as an opportunity and requested them for a brief recording, and I'm very sure this will help you because the kind of interaction I will have with them, the kind of information they will share today, that will be very useful for you. The brief of interaction will be like what is the placement scenario during COVID, as we are knowing, online semester going on, still they managed to get job and good job, though package and all cannot be declared here, but yes, it's a really good job they are getting. And something about master's program MS research. Fortunately both of them are in MS research program, so that is my another interaction point will be, and some another information which will keep on flowing from both of them. So let me introduce to you to my student Shekhar is doing MS in mechanical engineering in IIT Madras, and Rohtash is doing MS in aerospace department. So Shekhar, Rohtash, all of them are basically going to get a lot of information from you. तो आई स्टार्ट नाउ माय इंटरेक्शन. शेखर, थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में बताओ शेखर कि व्हाट वाज योर ग्रेड स्कोर एंड व्हेन डिड यू गेट इनटू एमएस रिसर्च, एंड थ्रू यू आल्सो आई वांट टू नो, लाइक स्टूडेंट्स से कि एमटेक इज बेटर देन एमएस एंड एमएस में जॉब्स नहीं लगता, बट यू मैनेज टू गेट जॉब एंड you told me that before you joined MS research you were doing job also somewhere.
Yes,
so little bit brief you can tell us about that.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I hope that my information will help a lot of students. So after my BTech, I joined, I got my score is 643. So in summer I didn't get any call for this MS program, and neither for MTech program because gate score is low. So after that, what I did, I joined Mahindra & Mahindra Swaraj department. So after 5 months, I got call for MS in the winter session, and then I joined in a mechanical department in the IC engine. My specialization is in IC engine. So from there, I started my journey at IIT Madras, and now I got placed in Bajaj Autos.
Okay, so Shekhar, I will not ask you that what is the package and all because that is not good to reveal.
Yes.
All I know is that when you were doing job with Mahindra, which is a reputed company, after graduation, and now you have got a job in Bajaj after masters. The package is almost 3-4 times, and also the kind of profile R&D profile
yes,
you are getting,
yes,
that is also internal combustion engine से related profile तुम्हें मिल रहा है,
yes,
that is also quite good.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा मेरे को एक बात बताओ शेखर, ये बोलते हैं कि MTech is better than MS और MS में नौकरी नहीं लगती, that is a myth. Though I keep on as you see I keep
yes,
on
sir.
spreading it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, अपने through you please tell.
So yeah, it's actually a myth. Like it's not like MTech students get placed and they get higher packages. No, like MTech, MS, BTech, all students have same opportunities. Like you have to grab that opportunity. MS students also, like from last 2 years, the scenario is like MS in mechanical department has a good number of offers than as compared to the MTech in mechanical engineers. So all depends on you. Like there is so many opportunities. Like during this COVID season also, there are so many companies registered. But the thing is, you have the ability to grab that opportunities.
So जब आप बोल रहे हो शेखर, when you are saying you should have ability means what? I mean they should have good CGPA or they should have some software skills or what?
So it's not like you have a good CGPA or what. So the main problem comes like when a student get into IIT now, they feel calm, like yeah, now our job is done. So
okay.
So what they did, they starting of the 1 or 2 months now, they just relax and do like there are many students who just miss their first session exams.
Okay.
Because they are too relaxed.
Mm-hmm.
So there is I can say that student has to focus from the first day only.
Okay.
Like when you get into the IIT, like you have to compete from the already creamy layer students.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to start fighting from the first day only.
Mm-hmm.
And you have to plan whole 2 years.
Okay.
Like yeah, master program is of 2.5 years, and almost in 2 years my master is MS is almost about to complete.
Okay.
So it's also again one myth that we are not able to complete MS in 2 years.
So MS can be done in 2 years also?
Yes, sir. My MS
is done in 2 years.
Yes, sir. It's
Great.
all completed in 2 years. I have to just submit my thesis and all.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So it's again a myth. Like if you start working from the beginning, like what I strategy I followed. Like after joining, I just focused for the first sessional only. So I got good score in first session. After that, I started my research work simultaneously.
So if you want to get a placement on first day, you start working from the
From the first day,
There is a
yes,
message.
exactly. Yes, sir.
Shekhar?
Yes,
Good.
sir, exactly.
और उसमें अच्छा सीजीपीए तो एक पार्ट हो गया यार, और चीजें आपने सीखी प्लेसमेंट के लिए और कैसे तैयारी करें, क्योंकि बहुत सा बच्चा एमटेक कर रहा है अभी,
See,
तो उनको
sir,
क्या आइडिया देंगे?
like if I consider for the core companies, so for core like in the technical part, all are good because they are at IIT Madras. So all students have good technical skills. So you have to focus in the aptitude and English part majorly, yes, sir, because we can assume that their technical skills are good.
अच्छा, अब जैसे आपकी प्लेसमेंट हुई तो उसमें प्लेसमेंट उन्होंने पूछा क्या था, एप्टीट्यूड एंड इंग्लिश का?
Yes, sir.
That is what they asked?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Aptitude like 50% is in my, if I talk about Bajaj, like 50% is for apti and 50% is for technical. Like sorry, in apti it is apti and English both,
Okay.
and rest 50% is for technical.
So if to summarize your case, like summers में your gate score was
643.
643. Summers में you could not get anything. Then in the winter you got MS in IIT Madras, that is in internal combustion engine,
Yes.
and now you got a good job in Bajaj. That is the summary of this. I'll come back to that. Now Rohtash, you are from aerospace department. Same thing. I mean your gate score and your journey. Little bit about that.
So I did my BTech in VIT Vellore in mechanical engineering. After
Okay.
that, I did job for close to 2 years, but
Okay.
I was not liking the profile.
Okay.
So I dropped 1 year and prepared for GATE. So
Okay.
after that, I joined MS in aerospace engineering in IIT Madras, and I did work on CFD there. And after that, I got an offer from Bajaj.
You also got from the same company you are getting. अच्छा, एक और myth मैं अभी आपसे discuss करना Rohtash, you are also in MS research only?
Yes, sir, MS.
Okay. So what was your gate score?
My GATE score was 550.
550 and aerospace.
Yes.
Now I tell you 2-3 minutes here. You have done job for 2 years. Many of the students who are already doing job for 1 or 2 years, they think कि job छोड़ के higher education masters में जाना may not be fruitful. Now you got a job also. Tell me whether it was worth it or not.
It is definitely worth, but actually it depends on case to case. Like for my situation, I didn't feel that I want to work continuously for the whole lifetime for the profile which I am being offered,
Okay.
and I don't want to. And the growth strategy was also not that good for the company, so there was no option for me. So, but it actually can depend on case to case. If a person is actually liking the job and he thinks that there are good growth aspects in that, so he can continue with that. But it was not with my case, so I definitely didn't want to do that job, and that's why I left that and want to go for
अच्छा
that.
Rohtash, another thing. Now he's from mechanical, 640 score. Yours is 550 score. 100 score difference है. You are in aerospace. Another myth is, sir, if I get into aerospace, and aerospace is very good department. Those all the departments are good, but some departments low gate score वाले भी होते हैं, जैसे rural technology हो गया, oceaneering हो गया. तो ऐसे departments में people hesitate कि सर कुछ बनेगा हमारा नहीं बनेगा. Now through both of you, I want to know कि जैसे आपका aerospace है, आपका mechanical है, you are getting same package, same companies. So how it is possible, Rohtash, from you? I want to know that.
So there is actually difference between the mindset of the companies. They actually prefer mechanical companies more.
Okay.
But it's not that you will not get any opportunity if you are in aerospace department or applied mechanics or engineering design.
Okay.
So it's like there only 10% companies are there which will not open for your department, only open
Okay.
for mechanical. But rest of the companies will open.
Okay.
But in interview definitely they will ask you, like, being from aerospace background, why do you want to come?
Join to this
So
company.
for that you should have a specific answer that I have worked in this domain. So I don't want to specifically work in aerospace application. I can do this work in automotive application or any other industry too.
Okay.
So it's just you convincing how you are able to convince them.
Okay. अच्छा Rohtash, एक मेरे को बात बताओ. Like you could also complete MS in 2 years. The way Shekhar को.
No, mine is like close to 3 years it will take.
आपका 3 साल लग जाएगा. तो ये difference क्यों? उसका 2 साल, आपका 3 साल, ऐसा क्यों?
Actually, sir, my problem, I have to develop my own code. So some people works on softwares, so it's bit easier.
तो
like-
आपको इस चीज का ये लग रहा है कि मेरे को ज्यादा टाइम लग गया है, या आपको लग रहा है कि मैंने सीख लिया? What is your perception about that now?
No, I think my work was more computationally extensive. So
Okay.
to run those computations, it will take a large amount of time. So that was the main reason.
You
for
know,
me.
I was interacting with one of the professors and I asked him कि sir MS में टाइम ज़्यादा लगता है, इसको mini PhD बोलते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Professor told me that if it is mini PhD, that means you are learning also more. Like he
Yeah.
said कि sir मेरा simulation था, CFD था,
Yeah.
and you just now you told me कि sir CFD की वजह से मेरे को लगता है कि मेरे जॉब में
Actually,
benefit हुआ
the
है.
thing, because I was doing the code thing, so I know actually what is happening behind the code.
Okay.
But people who work in software, they don't know. They just use.
They only
scheme.
use the
yeah,
code.
yeah,
They don't
just,
make the.
Yeah, they just use the scheme which are present in the software, but they don't know what is happening behind that. So that is the main good thing that I learned in that.
So anything to fear कि MS में ज़्यादा टाइम लग जाएगा for students?
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है sir.
Though you had
are-
2 years job
So
also.
Yeah.
initially we had fear like we are not able to complete in 2 years.
Okay.
That fear will be there.
But I think it gives you mileage later on. तो
Yes.
उसका
So,
benefit-
because yeah, at least you have that fear. If you have that fear, then only you'll work hard. Yes, sir.
so थोड़ा सा प्रेशर चाहिए।
Yes, sir,
अच्छा,
थोड़ा
अब मैं
pressure
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट पे आ रहा हूँ कि प्लेसमेंट ड्यूरिंग कोविड, ये सारे ऑनलाइन सेशन सेमेस्टर चल रहे हैं, आपका भी प्लेसमेंट ऑनलाइन में हुआ, तो प्लेसमेंट का सिनेरियो बताओ ऑनलाइन पे कैसा था, आईआईटी मद्रास का बताओ मेरे को।
So placement जो सिनेरियो है वो obviously थोड़ा डाउन है,
Down
but
है।
it's not that you are not getting any opportunity. If
Okay.
you are well prepared and then you can get the
आप थोड़ा सा मेरे
opportunity.
को स्टैटिस्टिक्स बता रहे थे, इफ यू कैन शेयर दैट स्टैटिस्टिक्स, कितने बच्चों का हो गया है?
Like as of now, if you say like around 45% people का हुआ है,
45% जो मास्टर्स में उनका हो चुका है,
45% overall जो भी
हो
स्टूडेंट
चुका है।
प्लेसमेंट में बैठ रहे हैं
उनका हो चुका है।
हाँ, but actually में जो अगर कोविड सिचुएशन
नहीं होता तो
अराउंड 70% का हो जाता है इस
हो
time
चुका
पे।
होता है इस
हाँ,
time।
तो मतलब ऑफर्स इस बार कम है
Okay।
पर वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट फेज 2 में थिंग्स इंप्रूव होंगी क्योंकि
Okay।
जनरली क्या होता है फेज 2 में ज्यादा कंपनीज नहीं आती
आती।
क्योंकि प्लेसमेंट टीम इतना थोड़ा एफर्ट कम करती है क्योंकि ऑलरेडी बच्चे प्लेस हो चुके होते हैं
ठीक।
पर इस बार उनको नंबर्स इंप्रूव करने के लिए वो सब हो
अच्छा,
जाएगा।
ऐसे कुछ केस आपके दिमाग में हैं जैसे और बच्चों के भी कि जिनका कम स्कोर हो गेट का और उनको अच्छा, बिकॉज आपके फ्रेंड्स तो होंगे काफी और जिनको बहुत ही अच्छी जॉब्स लग गई हैं, ऐसे कुछ केसेस हैं आपको?
Sir, yeah, I would like to add here. Like, I have one friend. He is in mechanical only. His gate score is also low. He got admission at IIT Madras in winters only. So, and his CGPA is also low. His CGPA is around 8. So, but he got placed in Caterpillar.
कैटरपिलर?
Yes, sir.
Great।
In the Tata Analytics profile.
मेरे से बात करो ना, क्योंकि ऐसे तो इंस्पिरेशनल बिकॉज इंडिया वांट्स टू नो कि कम गेट स्कोर, कम सीजीपीए,
Yes,
कम और कैसे ज्यादा मिल जाता है। सडनली मस्ट हैव डन समथिंग मार्वेलसली गुड
Yes,
वहां पे, तो आई वुड लाइक टू इंटरेक्ट विद हिम।
And
और
sir,
बहुत अच्छा
one more thing I would like to add here. Like you said, na, people hesitate to join applied mechanics, oceaneering and all. Like I would say, like if people have a mindset that he will go for jobs only in future, so it will be good if he can get chance in oceaneering also, because like data analytics profile and all these IT profiles, data analytics, machine learning profiles, they open for all the departments, irrespective of whether which department you are, which degree you have.
For the past many years, Shekhar, on the basis of my own journey in IITs and on the basis of students' journey, ये चीज मैं हर बार बोलता हूँ कि यार तुम्हें कोई भी डिपार्टमेंट आईआईटी में मिल जाए, नौकरी लग जाएगी। मैं एक बीटेक की बात करता हूँ, जो बीटेक ग्रेजुएशन कर रहा है आईआईटी से, उसको फर्क नहीं ना पड़ता कि बैंक आ रहा है रिक्रूट करने,
Yes, sir,
कि
exactly।
डाटा साइंस आ रहा है,
Exactly।
कि आपका आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस आ रहा है। जब तुम एमटेक में चलेगे तो तुम कोर बोलना स्टार्ट कर रहे हो।
Yes।
मतलब तो यार ब्रेन लगाने से है ना, डाटा साइंस में भी ब्रेन लगेगा ना उसमें,
Exactly।
देयर इज अ ग्रोथ इन दैट आल्सो। सो अगर आप अपने आप को चाहे रूरल टेक्नोलॉजी में बैठ जाओ, ओशनरिंग में बैठ जाओ, और अगर आप डाटा साइंस यूज कर रहे हो ढंग से, तो आपको बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगा।
This is one of the reason why BTech students have more number of offers than masters.
Yes, because they are open to all kind of
All kinds
jobs,
of
but we are so restricted
Yes।
कि सर मेरे को तो एरोस्पेस की ही
हाँ।
कंपनी चाहिए।
Yes, sir।
क्यों चाहिए एरोस्पेस की कंपनी? आई मीन एरोस्पेस इज अ डिपार्टमेंट in which you are also learning CFD, you are also learning
There is
CFD.
one guy in oceaneering department at IIT Madras only last year.
Okay.
So yeah, his work is almost done. So he got placed in data analytics company with a good package.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's not like that. Yeah, you will if you are in oceaneering and you will not get the job.
So whenever like someone is in IIT, so he should definitely prepare for non-core companies. Like we also had that backup.
Mhm.
So we know that core companies are less. So it doesn't mean that we will not prepare for non-core. So we have done few courses on this data science and machine learning, so that if in worst case scenario we can go to those companies also.
Very true, very true. चलो रोहताश एंड शेखर, थैंक्स अ लॉट जो आपने इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया। अभी ये वीडियो मैं अपलोड करूंगा तो बच्चों के ना क्वेरीज आएंगी, तो अगर आपके पास टाइम होगा और वो क्वेरीज आप ही की तरफ को आती हैं, स्टूडेंट्स टेंड टू आस्क सम स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चंस, सो इफ यू हैव टाइम प्लीज शेयर योर इन्फॉर्मेशन विद देम,
Sure, sure।
शेयर विद दैट।
Sure,
फाइन, थैंक्स अ लॉट एंड थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर
Thank you
स्वीट्स
so much,
आल्सो।
sir. Thank you, sir.